one for me. This is a new one, y'all. And I bet he bite. Fun facts. I'm not sure if this is a turtle or a tortoise, but if it is a tortoise, it should not be submerged underwater. So if you ever see, I believe the best way to tell is by, and he is showing off his nose, but the best way to tell is by their nose, to my understanding, their head. You can tell the difference. Oh, look at him kicking up the dirt. Whether or not it's a turtle or a tortoise. And I don't know if he's digging and hiding, digging and playing, digging and hot, digging and not. What he did? He definitely digging. Wow. Simply amazing. Simply amazing. I say, you want to be starting something. It's fascinating. Or at least I'm fascinated. Let me get back to work, y'all.